The consistency of the batter is, you want it thick but not too thick. Sort of like DJ chose. I'm just kidding, but you want it to be kind of thick but not too thick.
So
just to stick onto the.
So just right with the thickness.
Yes. Sorry, man. Like, it's just, I got things to do and like.
I was really trying. Okay, so you can see there it's thick,
Sort of
but
like
it's not too thick.
slightly thinner than pancake batter.
Oh. Here's our batter. We're done with that. Now we can add our ingredients.
Alright, so it doesn't matter what you add in first. So we're just gonna start with the imitation crab.
Here, you can stir and then I'll start heating up our oil.
Alright.
And then how much oil do we need? Just
wanna,
enough to like.
It's like a little less than half of the pot.
And then like a medium is good, right?
Yes.
Albert, the tinfoil is burning.
Actually, just put it on high for now. So after I added all of the 3 main ingredients, just gonna give it a stir in the batter, and then we're just gonna let it sit for a couple minutes while the oil is getting hot, and just to also soak in all the ingredients, incorporate them into the batter. So Celine, how's the oil going?
Take out the cap.
Yeah,
It's
come
already
on.
too late for that. It's okay, I got it.
Big forehead, but make use of it.
Stop! I don't want my hands to be oily.
Like I said, only so bad she cooks.
Okay, this is enough, right?
More. Yes, please. We finally have our oil heated up and our batter
Let's have a
mixed
close-up
in.
of our batter.